Hi, I'm Tim from Friendly Fires. This is how you disassemble a Pacific Energy wood stove. Start with the door, open it, it's right off. In the front, there's a boost air manifold. It sits on 3 pins. One goes inside the manifold, the other 2 go on the outside. Going into the stove, at the back there's a pin. Pull the pin straight out. The baffle lifts up, pull it to the side and drop it down. It comes right out. It has insulation inside. Some of the older units, the insulation is just loose on top, but they're both the same. And you can replace one with the other. You can put a new baffle in an old unit. Going back inside, there's 2 chunks of insulation that sit on the side rail. They have a slice down them. The slice is to go to the outside so that it'll fold over the baffle when the baffle's installed. One on either side. Then there's the 2 side rails lift up. They sit, they're Z-shaped and they sit to hold the baffle. And that's it. Oh, there's a way up underneath, there's a flame shield. This plate here, it's got 2 bolts that hold it in. Just undo them and it'll drop straight down.
Great. Thank you, Tim.
You're welcome.